we're back at the commissary. We're in a new room today. Hello, Dad. Hi. Nice stuff in here. We got the pigs playing pool right here in the corner. Casablanca, dude riding a motorcycle. This is a nice little part of the restaurant. Webster Avenue. Yeah, nice booth. We were commenting on the placement of the wall here, the back to the table. It's really nice. It's comfy. Anyway, see you when we get some food. Oh, this place is so cool. Those doors right over there, they're actually on sliding roller things, so they can move back and forth like a banquet room, or to make this into a banquet room. Cool stuff. Alrighty, the food is here. We got pulled pork, we got a hot link, barbecue baked beans, coleslaw, the deviled egg, small roll. Dad got the ribs. Look at these things. Massive slab with ribs.
So this is half a slab.
Half a slab. Sweet tea, water, barbecue sauce, and let's dig in. The glare is something else, but here's the dessert menu right there. Hopefully you can make it out. I'm gotten the strawberry cake, and let me tell you, I've had this stuff before. It is so delicious. I'm gonna dig in. I'll see y'all next time. And yes, they have a drive-thru. Off in the back yacht, more adventures to come. Stay around, stay tuned, whatever those words are that I'm trying to say. See you next time, later, after the cut. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Here is the Japanese maple tree over at my dad's place. Like, this thing is absolutely huge. Most people have never seen a Japanese maple this big, but here are the leaves. And I remember I grew up playing in this tree. There used to be another branch that came out right there, and I used to swing on that branch, and then it got too heavy. I had to cut it down. Yeah, this tree, it's really one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. You see, it also split off in the middle there. It is quite big. Get out into the street, kind of show you how big it is. Yeah, big old Japanese maple.